Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I will put out a bonus video, which I did this past Sunday. So make sure you hit that notification bell so the next time that I upload a new video, you will be notified. As I stated, my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, and luxury. And today, I am bringing you a mini luxury haul. I'm bringing you a mini luxury haul. It is from the house of Dior. I love Dior. It is one of my favorite luxury houses, and I was in the store, let's say about a month ago, 2 months ago, I don't know. You know, I've missed a couple of uploads. Anyway, we should get over that. So if you like luxury unboxings, then give this video a thumbs up. If you like the house of Dior, give this video a thumbs up. Without further rambling, give this video a thumbs up. We're gonna get into this mini luxury haul. Here is this beautiful bag. I love the packaging for Dior. It's all white and crisp, and then it has the gold letterings, and I love me some white, but I especially love me some gold. We have the ribbon with the gold Dior printed on it. This is my little luxury bag from Dior. Let's get into what's inside. What is inside? Well, what is inside is the damage. The mini luxury damage. That's what's inside. All about the presentation. And this is a little envelope. It says Dior. It has all the little damage in it. We'll get to that later. Maybe not. I don't know. Just depends. If I forget, sorry. As I said, I love Dior's customer service. So when you are purchasing something, they usually throw in a little sample of this, a sample of that. And they gave me 2 samples. Again, the packaging is great. You see it? Let's see. The CD. Yeah, I got it right. The CD right there. They gave me these 2 samples of the Grand Bal, B-A-L, and then they gave me, ooh, Lord, Viva Delicious. No, Delicious. Girl, boy, I don't know. Here's the names. Those are the 2 names right there. Those are what they gave me. I'm happy with my sales associate. I didn't get the same one that I normally do. I like consistency, so I always like to get the same person, but I always forget his name, so I can't ask for him. Let's go back to the packaging. They have this gold B. Is that not so cute? Right there. Come on, I know you see it. That is cute. Okay, back to the mini luxury unboxing with Dior. So here is the box. Thumbnail. Yes. I haven't hauled this size box before. What do you think is inside? Again, you see the packaging, the ribbon with the Dior logo printed in gold. It's not real gold, but in the color gold. All over the ribbon. I love it. I do. Take that apart. Bye-bye, ribbon. There we go. More Dior. The packaging, just branding everywhere. Luxury branding all over. This little booklet, we don't know what this little booklet is. We just know it's a booklet. It has some information in, but let's get to the goods. Let's get to the luxury, yes? Well, it's probably a luxury booklet, but the item. And it says a Christian Dior. Wow, this is masculine. I'm telling you, branding is on point. You know what they are. You know what they are. Oh, you know what they are. I know what they are. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hello, hello. All right, so look at the arm. It has the CD on the arms of the shades. Yes, this is in a matte finish, and I love me some matte. I just do. I do. This is my latest luxury purchase from the House of Dior. Oh, comment below. What do you think about the matte? I know that you've seen this style of glasses, shades before, sunnies, whatever you call it. I know that you've seen this style before, but have you seen them in the matte? Tell me no, tell me no, tell me no. I want to be the only one. I know I'm not the only one, but oh my goodness, I had never seen them on someone in the matte finish, and I just love it. I love it. I love the color. It looks like a little mauve-y, and I'm in love with me some mauve. It's not too pink. It's still a neutral. Pick these up at the South Coast Plaza. I wear women's sunglasses, and the price is $560. A total of our 7.75 tax is a $603.40. A style number to reference is 30 MTS UMR, and that is the style number for these sunglasses. I love them. I think I will be wearing them today. I do need to put on some shoes. Of course, you get this nice little sunglass cleaner. It says Dior too. There with the Dior. Yeah. That is it for my mini luxury haul from the House of Dior. Comment below if you like my shades. Comment below if you have a pair too, or comment below if you want to pick some up. Let me know down in the comment section. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you. Yes, you in my next video. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci.